I really want to start talking to all of you all. Should we do the questions?
But before we, Alia, like I've been hearing, and all you guys have also been hearing. What is this new thing of RRR and this letter R? R से क्या relationship है तेरा? What is R?
What is R?
R.
What are you asking me?
I said, what is R? Why do these people keep asking me? जवाब दो.
क्या जवाब दूँ?
जो भी सही है, जो भी truth है.
ट्रूथ ये है कि आर मेरे लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा नंबर 8 है. What does A mean to you?
A means Amitabh Bachchan. No, in all seriousness, A means Ayan Mukherjee. Let's call Ayan here. Yeah, we're missing him.
We should
Where is
call
Ayan?
Ayan, yeah.
Ayan!
Ayan,
I think Ayan has fainted. He's been so
there
overwhelmed
he's
by
come
this.
back. Okay,
How
guys.
many of you want to see Ayan doing Balam Pichkari steps?
Of course you know the step.
Sing! Balam Pichkari.
कल तूने मुझे मारी कि सीधी सादी चोरी शराबी हो गई कि जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ढुक्का तो लड्डू पड़ोसन की भाभी. I can't believe I know this step. I wasn't even in the film. I still know the step exactly.
काम ये थोड़ी है behind the scenes काम है मेरा exactly right.
तो Ayan अभी क्या करना है? Now we are here. This moment your poster has released.
Big
What's
hug
the
guys
feeling?
first.
Let's hug.
Acha, first can I ask you guys one question? How did you like the motion poster honestly? How is it? It looked like a magnum opus to you. Let me take some reactions now. I really want to know what you felt. It's good.
Hollywood level.
Slowly, slowly.
It's going to next MCU.
Was it difficult? Did they bully you at all? Because you were joining.
अरे
this
इसको
gang.
कोई bully
ये
नहीं कर
नानी वाला
सकता.
है किसी
Impossible. Impossible.
Was she the bully? No, I'm not a bully, but they didn't bully me. Okay. Huh? She's the, no, I'm not the. Yeah, I would.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
to be-
Alia's the boss.
Also, I think they really like listening to me speak. They enjoy it also because sometimes I say silly things and they get entertained by it. But there's only one boss on set and that is Ayan. When Ayan is standing and talking, we like it that way. He is like, he runs the set. He's screaming on the mic, he's jumping on rocks, he's rolling on the floor. He's doing everything. He doesn't sit the whole day. Like Ayan is just running the set and we like to be there, We're like his...
This is only 50% true, let me tell you. Before we came out today, Alia was like, Ranbir will stand there, Ayan will stand here, Dolly Mantra will stand there. So it's a collaboration of bossiness.
Ayan is right.
That's true. Actually, I would
It's
say
a
number 1, number
collaboration.
2 and number 100. My little saint. He doesn't say anything.
All right, these are the questions जो हमको we found from the internet, but you guys asked some very interesting ones. और आप लोगों ने शुरुआत में you created that आपने अपने ये सवाल डाले थे in the bowl, so let's bring that up. ये आपके सवाल हैं जो आप लोगों ने दिए हैं जो आज यहाँ पर आए हैं.
अपने सवालों के लिए ताली बजा लो.
क्या बढ़िया कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड है.
आपने अच्छे क्वेश्चंस
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Pink sir. So one question each for all three of you. Actually, there are more, but अभी देखते हैं किसकी किस्मत
So the
चमकती है.
funny, not the funny thing, but the fun thing is,
I want this whole box. I'm going to take all these questions home. Have you all left your numbers and all in this? If you had, we would have sent you all
Why don't you
answers.
leave your number?
On your phone.
ये missed opportunity है. So who's answering first?
I think Ayan, we should. Can we start with? You want to start with?
Ladies
Ayan?
first, let Alia go again.
Okay, Alia, go for it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Can
I picked up. I picked up.
Oh, you picked up. Okay, go.
Can you? Okay, this is not a question but a statement, but I'll still read it because it's sweet. It's from Sia. I love you, Alia. You're the best, prettiest, hottest girl. I love you. Sia,
Sia, are you there?
Sia,
Sia is
thank you
there?
so much. No one's ever called me hottest, prettiest, and best in the same sentence. Thank you. Have you ever called me hottest, prettiest, and sweetest in the same sentence?
No, not yet.
Yeah. Okay. Ishita has asked a question. You are more than a star. Movie choices are the best. Can't wait to see Gangubai. Love you, Alia. Okay, again, not a question. But love you. Thank you so much. This could go on the whole evening.
तीन है अभी ना.
तीन रखते हैं.
Alia Bhatt, thank you for constantly inspiring me to be confident. You are a beautiful actor and may you always remain the same. From Shirish Shrishti, your note.
Thank
What's
you
your name?
so much, love. How sweet. Okay.
ठीक है, I'm
I
taking
think
a
you
question.
take over.
Yeah, it's time.
I answer.
Thank you so much.
ये YGHD का क्वेश्चन है. आपको सुनना है आंसर? How was your experience shooting YGHD? सायरा, सायरा, मैं भूल गया इतने सालों में, सब कुछ भूल गया मैं. Wake up said YGHD, बिल्कुल मेरे को स्टेप्स भी याद नहीं है गानों के, कुछ भी, सब कुछ भूल गया मैं.
आपसे एक चीज याद है क्या?
Okay, next question. Okay, one by one. Ranveer.
Okay, this is from Sia who says, I have come to meet you. I love you. You're the best. With Sia. Sia, I love you.
अरे सिया की क्या किस्मत है? मतलब
I'll
पूरी
treat you sweetly. Oh, Ranveer, when will you marry Alia? Or someone else? By Garima Jain. Garima, hi. Well, haven't we seen a lot of people getting married in the last 1 year? I think we should be happy with that. हमारी कब होगी?
You're asking me.
I'm asking him, हमारी कब होगी?
आज के लिए एक ही डेट काफी है, ब्रह्मास्त्र की रिलीज डेट. You know, let's wait.
Yeah, of course.
Just having this to Ranveer, thank you for giving us beautiful and memorable movies. Thank you for constantly inspiring me. May God bless you with a lot of happiness and love always. From Stuti. Stuti, I love you. Thank you so much.
How Sia and Stuti have gotten really both
ये
questions.
सारी वर्णियां उन्होंने तो नहीं भरी. बहुत ही कमाल है दोनों की.
Ayan, you want to ask one more question? Answer one more question?
Ranveer is enjoying this thing.
Yeah, Ranveer is going for it.
नहीं, एक चलो.
Guys, there's a lot of love in this. Thank you so much for the questions. You only sing that?
Ah, there you go. Ryan, I think they deserve to actually come and meet you, but उनको तो यहाँ पर stage पे नहीं बुला सकते.
So, let's move to that stage where we can come and say hi.
Wow.
But what we will do is, I want to take one really nice picture of all of us, so we always remember this moment where we started the Brahmastra journey. You know, so I want to take a selfie or something with everybody. Can we arrange for that?
Wow.
Also, listen, for this picture, like how all of you are here, we also have some key people from our team who've been working very hard, and honestly, they do all the work, to make it. So we'll include them in the picture as well. So why don't you all come in? Kabir, Amar, Amrita, come. We'll all take this picture together. वो selfie stick किधर है? I need my phone for it. My phone is phone Kabir. Everybody at the back, the Brahmastra team, please come. We should all take this picture together. Till that time, we'll just talk to you till everybody comes. 5 minutes it'll take. I think we can go off the live stream. Ji, bolo. Your phone. I have to take it from my phone. अरे मेरा it has a better camera. Kabir, I want my phone. No, it's on my phone. Get my phone from wherever. It will take a moment. Ask her to rush it. You have to give us a moment because my phone was loading the unit outside somewhere. Okay, fine. Come guys. Everyone, come. Let's. We get Kabir, it's your kismat. Use your phone. Come, where's my phone? Come, come. Okay. Okay, that picture is good. Ashti, come here. Come in the pit, guys. Amrita, Shiti, come in this pit. Okay, so we'll do one like this. Acha, but how do I click it? I have to click it, yeah.
Okay, Ayan is struggling. Okay.